225, baby. All day. Let's go. Yeah, baby, all day. Hey, that was easy, man. Probably like 2 or 3 on you.
As-Salaamu Alaykum Wa Rahmatullahi. It's your boy Josh coming live with another YouTube video, bro. Hope you're doing well. Welcome and welcome back. Your boy just hit 225, bro. We've been chasing that number for years, man. Your boy's got itty bitty chest. So, you know, I'm not really built for bench. But anyways, bro, today I want to talk to you about using small, almost insignificant, seemingly insignificant leverages to get massive results in your life. I'm gonna give you a couple examples, and bench is one of them. Check this out, dude. I literally used to bench with my finger here on this knurling right here, okay? I literally didn't change anything else. No body weight, no different type of supplements or nothing like that. No steroids, bro. Literally just went from here to this knurling here, and I literally, dude, increased my bench press, my 1 rep max from 210 pounds to what you just saw, 225 pounds, and I still had, you know, plenty left in the tank, bro. It's insane, and this is just a seemingly small, insignificant leverage, right? And look how much weight I just added to my all-time PR, bro. Alright, bro, I'm gonna give you another angle. I'm gonna show you another example, so hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm gonna basically grab the bar like I used to, and I'm gonna show you what I do now. And again, just to remind you, when I grabbed the bar the previous time, I could only hit 210 pounds for a 1 rep max. That was my all-time max. By simply moving my finger just, you know, half an inch or whatever, an inch to the left, dude, I literally can now bench 225 for possibly multiple reps, man, which is a huge, huge PR, dude, especially when it comes to bench. So, I'll show you first example and then how I bench now. First example. Second example. Alright, bro, I'm gonna hit the rest of this set. I'm gonna knock out this workout, and then I'm gonna share with you another example, dude, of something that, again, that is so insignificant when we think about it, but in reality, it gives you a dude, like literally disturbing leverage. Alright, so let's hit this last set, or actually we got a couple sets left. Let's hit them, and then we'll talk about this next example, inshallah. Bismillah, let's go.
سبح لله ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم له ملك السماوات والأرض.
Alright, bro, alhamdulillah, we just finished our bench sesh, and we have to change our plans. Some things happened, so now I gotta knock out this 5-mile run right now, immediately after my bench session. I'm not going to count this as a second workout because you have to at least allow 2 to 3 hours per 75 hard rules in between workouts. So I'm just going to have to do a third workout for it to actually be a second workout, which is, alhamdulillah, it's all good, dude. We make things happen. Alright, there's problem staters and there's problem solvers, and alhamdulillah, your boy's a problem solver. So I'm going to knock out this 5 miles, and then as soon as I'm done, inshallah, we're going to talk about that second example that I'm talking about. Is super disturbing, but super liberating as well at the same time, inshallah. Inshallah, your boy's got to keep running this parking lot for 5 miles straight. It is what it is, bro. Let's get it. What's up, bro? I know what you're thinking. Bro, where's your hair at? Well, I just got a haircut yesterday. That's right, yesterday, because I was so focused on my work, I didn't record anything, man. So number 2, the second thing that I did in order to leverage my time that seems insignificant, but in reality it is disturbing and huge, and that is, dude, not taking my phone into the bathroom anymore. Here's some disturbing math. I averaged, in 1 month, an entire day in the bathroom, bro. Alright? Literally just from being on my phone a couple times a day in the bathroom, I averaged an entire day lost, okay? An entire day, bro. So maybe you don't take your phone in the bathroom, and maybe you do. And if you do, you should actually do a little bit of math and calculate just how much time you're losing by being focused on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, this one or the other, right? Instead of focusing on the business that you should be taking care of. And you might realize that you're spending an absorbent amount of time wasting it just in the bathroom. And if not, I'm sure you can find other holes, right, in your time that you're using or wasting that you could get back by simply being more aware of how you spend your time, man. So that's number 2. Number 3, I was thinking about yesterday as I was running in that Instagram, you know, that Instagram post. As I was running, I was telling myself, subhanAllah, another leverage is, even if it's the smallest, right, we're talking about small leverages, if the smallest one could be, dude, when have you followed through on your promise? Have you stuck to your diet for a day? Have you stopped watching porn for a day? Did you go to the gym for a day? Did you pray your Salah on time for a day? Look, dude, you need to use whatever you can use as momentum, alright? In those moments, when I'm doubting myself, or those doubts I don't doubt myself, but that doubt's starting to creep in, or I feel like I want to quit, or whatever, when I'm running the furthest distances that I'm ever running, okay? I go back and I leverage all the times that I've already beat that time, or I push through that pain, right? So say I'm running a 5-mile run. At mile 3, my legs are killing me. My legs are on fire. My quads are on fire, right? But I tell myself, dude, you've ran 4.5 miles before. You've ran 4 miles before. You've run 3 miles before multiple times. And guess what? Every time, yeah, bro, you had that pain. You had that struggle. You had that, you know, that self-doubt, or, you know, whatever, dude. But you push through. And you're going to push through again today, inshallah. And with that, I always do, alhamdulillah. So you need to use your examples, right? When was the day that you stopped watching porn? You want a week. You want 2 weeks. All right? Use these tiny, insignificant to you, right? You're like, oh man, I only want a week. You want a week, bro. That proves that you can do it. That proves that you can do it. You want a week. You were on your diet for a week. You worked out for a week straight, 2 weeks straight. You prayed your Salah on time. During Ramadan, you were on point. Okay? So you use these small leverages as momentum to get you big, massive results, inshallah. Let's go hit this workout, bro. We'll talk some more. The fourth example is you, man. You, okay? I want to be able to leverage the power of you. What I mean by that is, I want you to help share this message, dude. Because one person, you might think yourself, oh dude, you know, I'm just one person. I don't have a lot of followers on my Instagram. You know, I don't have a lot of followers on my social media. It doesn't matter, bro. Even if you only have one, that ripple effect of you sharing this message, of us to, you know, strive to become the ultimate Muslim versions of ourselves, to navigate this dunya with all its traps, right? All its pitfalls, all its snares, still trying to please Allah, and still trying to have an amazing dunya, inshallah azawajal. Having, you know, wealth, having great fitness, having all the things that are permissible within the boundaries of Islam, while still being a freaking amazing Muslim, dude, right? Not forgetting your hereafter. Okay, being the ultimate version of yourself, whatever that means. Okay, we need men to be leaders. We're never gonna have Allah's honor restored to us. We're never gonna have Allah's victory until we take action. Allah's help never comes to those who are just standing on the sidelines, passively waiting for good things to happen to them. No, it is only when they're taking action, dude. And then Allah supports that individual or those people. So we need to become men again, dude. Real leaders, okay? Real leaders of ourselves, of our families, and that will have a ripple effect in our society, and then in, you know, basically that state, or however, you know, your country is set up, and then the country, and then the world, inshallah azawajal, okay? So I need you to share this message. I don't care if you got one follower on Instagram or on Facebook, or if you have, you know, a couple friends on WhatsApp or whatever, dude. I need you to share this message, man, if it resonates with you. If it resonates with you and you too want to become the ultimate Muslim version of yourself, you want to be a real Muslim man. Being a man today in today's world is already an issue with a lot of people. You're being toxic with your toxic masculinity. Well, I don't really care what you think because you're weak, soft, and you got purple hair. So I really don't care. But here's the thing, dude, is I need your help, okay? So I'm gonna help, I'm gonna ask you, I'm gonna leverage you, what you think is significantly small or insignificant. I think you're great. I think you're very powerful, alhamdulillah. And so, hey man, I'm just gonna ask you, dude, if this message resonates with you and you love the content that I'm producing, whether it's on YouTube, whether it's on Instagram, whether it's the course that I'm creating, the Ultimate Muslim Man Academy, okay, then I need you to share this with other men, okay, other Muslim men, inshallah, because I can't do it alone. All right, I appreciate you, bro. I'm gonna hit the rest of this workout. We're 5 days out from testing with one rep max, inshallah, on squat, bench, and deadlift. So I gotta go hit some squat sets, some bench sets, and some deadlift sets. And then your boy, he's gonna get back at it like he always does, man. So I appreciate you. If you got value for today's video, drop your boy a like down below because it truly does help the channel. Hey man, if you're here, if you want to, subscribe. If you're into that thing, if you're not, that's cool too. And again, man, if this resonates with you, share it on your Instagram, tag me at Project Dream to Achieve It. I appreciate you guys so much. As always, stop stressing yesterday, stop fearing tomorrow. Make today great, and I will see you in that next one.
سبح لله ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم له ملك السماوات والأرض يحيي ويميت وهو على كل شيء قدير هو الأول والآخر والظاهر والباطن